It used to be if you had a problem in your home, whether a tree on your roof or water in your kitchen, you would call your insurance company immediately. But consumer reporter John Matarese says these days that's not always the best idea, so you don't waste your money.
Many homeowners at some point are going to have to deal with a burst pipe or a water leak. When it happens, do you have any idea what to do? Should you call your insurance company? I'll explain why the answer is not always yes. The shop vac was working overtime here at the Clark house after a burst water pipe sent water cascading from the first floor down into the basement.
This is actually still wet here. Yeah, it's still...
Mike Clark showed me buckets filled with water that was still dripping 24 hours after he discovered the leak.
Came down this wall, and this is all ripped up now, too.
The culprit?
Looks like it started here in our laundry room.
Clark suspects a burst water line in the wall behind his washing machine. So he called a plumber and set up a dehumidifier, but wasn't sure about calling his insurance company.
I thought about it, but I've got a $1,000 deductible, and I know most insurance policies will cover up to $1,000, so it's kind of a moot point to do that.
Burst pipes are covered by most homeowners' policies. However, many policies now have a $1,000 deductible. So if cleanup is less than $1,500, it's usually not worth filing a claim. In addition, one claim can raise your rates as much as 10%, according to Bankrate.com. And Bankrate says a second claim, if something else happens, could make you high risk with even higher rates. Clark says with his repairs looking like they won't exceed $500, he's going to do it himself with a plumber's help and skip a claim this time. One thing to keep in mind, if you can't thoroughly dry out your walls, ceiling, or carpeting, mold is going to form in there, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to clean up. So if you're worried that you won't be able to dry up all the moisture, then call your insurer so that down the road you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.